How to add intro or outro to Capcut PC. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This video is going to be one of the basic things that we could do. It is going to be very easy and simple to do, and I'm just going to show you how to achieve this. So first, we're just going to create a new project. And unfortunately for me, I don't really have a intro, outro, so I'm just going to use random videos, or maybe the same videos even. But anyways, you just want to import some media, so just click on import, and you would want to add the main stuff. So here I'm just going to add this one, and also I'm going to add this one, and this one, why not? Okay, so yeah, let's just go ahead and go for these. So let's say this is the main video. So now we have our main video in our timeline, and we are editing it. We're doing whatever we actually want. Did I add all of them at once? I believe I actually did. So let's just go remove that. I just wanted to add this. Okay, let's say this is the main video. So we are editing it, trimming it, everything in between. The only thing left for us to do is just add an intro and an outro. So like I said, I don't really have a proper one, so I'm just going to use these two. So to add an intro, it's very simple. You just want to first import it. So like I did, I already did so. And then you just want to drag and drop it to be in the beginning. So just go ahead and drag and drop it at the beginning like so. And then same goes for the outro. You just want to drag and drop it like that. And then we can actually see the transition between them is going to look a little something like this. So maybe you want to have a different feel to it. You don't want it to transition right away to the intro or outro. You want it to have a different transition. You can also feel free to add the transitions. Just go ahead and make sure they are stuck together like so. And then we can just go ahead and move from there. So as long as they are stuck together, we can just go ahead and add the transition to them, and I will show you how to do so. You can just go ahead and click on transitions at the top of our screen here. You see imports, audio, and so on. We want the transition section, and this is going to show us many different transitions to choose from. So there's going to be plenty to choose from. So see whichever one is going to suit you best. In my case, I'm just going to go for this one, and I'm just going to download it. And now it is actually Pro, I believe. So let's just go for this one instead. And now that I actually want it, we can just basically drag and drop it right over here. And once you do that, we can just go ahead and see for ourselves how it's going to look like. That's great. And same goes for the other one. So let's just go ahead and drag and drop it right over here. And again, it's just going to create the transition here for us. And we can, go to the outro like that. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.